That's true.
But you're very well beloved in San Antonio.
Oh, I am?
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
That's nice to hear.
San Antonio's favorite daughter.
Oh, whatever. All right, here we go. If you're telling the truth, then that's amazing. If you're just messing with me, then all right, so I want to show you that this is Hurricane Rafael. It is just missing southwest Florida. It is moving off towards the northwest. Category 2 hurricane, by the way, was a Cat 3 when it hit western Cuba yesterday. The reason why it's staying away from Florida, there is an area of high pressure that's right about there, and that's pushing it to the west. A movement to the northwest at 9 miles an hour, winds at 105 miles an hour. It looks like it's going to maintain Cat 2 strength before weakening back to a tropical storm once it gets closer to the southwestern Gulf of Mexico. A big trough to the west, low pressure to the west of Texas will help to keep that storm system away from the Lone Star State. There it is. It's centered between New Mexico and Colorado. That's what's producing snow this morning from near Denver to northern New Mexico. Ahead of that, we have a lot of moisture that's coming up from the Pacific in the upper levels at the surface. Meanwhile, there's moisture that's coming up from the Gulf of Mexico. That's why we're seeing the rain this morning, and that's why there is a chance for rain today. Closer look at the satellite and radar picture here. It is definitely more saturated, so we have clouds, and with the clouds, it's warmer. Temperatures in the 60s and 70s, and we're starting to see an uptick in that precipitation. Very light stuff, but as I've been saying all morning, it's enough to cause some wet roads. May see a few puddles here and there throughout the morning. Widely scattered showers as we go through the rest of the day. Maybe just a couple showers here in San Antonio, along with an isolated thunderstorm. Tonight, it quiets down a bit, although we'll have to watch for maybe some isolated strong to severe storms late this evening in Valverde County. And tomorrow morning, we'll start off with the clouds once again, along with some light showers. And then tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, as a cold front comes through the area, a couple more showers or a thunderstorm. Behind the front, more dry just in time for the weekend. We'll still see some clouds around Saturday, but it'll be mostly sunny on Sunday. Slight risk for a few severe thunderstorms in Valverde County if those storms develop there. I think they will be north of Del Rio, but could see some stronger storms there that produce maybe some hail. Marginal risk for the rest of the area. There could be a stronger thunderstorm here that produces some small to medium-sized hail along with brief high winds. So that's the front that comes in later tomorrow. High pressure builds in from this weekend through early next week. Should see another front by next Wednesday. That one may not produce much rain, if any, but it'll bring another cool down. 50% rain chance this morning, mostly patches of drizzle or mist. This afternoon, we'll see some sun. 30% rain chance and a high of 83. 50% rain chance tomorrow, 81. It'll get cool again Sunday morning, especially with lows back into the 50s. Next week, late next Wednesday is when another front comes through the area. Here's the extended forecast for everybody else. Watch out for some wet spots developing through the morning.